Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a brush in Minecraft. Along with other historical elements, the brush is a brand new in-game tool that will be introduced in Minecraft 1.20. It is the peak upon which the entire archaeology system is built in many aspects. It enables you to dig up pottery shards, armor triumphs, and other treasury by dusting old blocks known as suspicious sand and suspicious gravel. So how to make a brush? You just need one stick and a 3x3 crafting reed, one copper ingot, and one feather. And then here's your brush. By slaughtering a chicken or by killing a chicken, you will be able to obtain the feather. The stick can then be obtained by felling a tree, making planks out of the wood, and finally shaping those planks into sticks. Last but not the least, like other metals, copper can be discovered underground and in caves. Once you have all the necessary supplies, go to a crafting table and arrange the stick, copper ingot, and feather in a straight line along the center of the table. This creates a brush. But anyways, in Minecraft, there are several different methods to get feathers, such as cat presence, chest treasure, and more. So I do really hope that this video helped you enjoy playing Minecraft. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.